Hey guys, thanks for joining in to the tremendous advanced course that we have created for you. In this advanced course, we will be teaching you the core of advanced technical analysis. Now, along with technical analysis, we will teach you in such a way that your sentiments and your psychology also gets strengthened. All right, so let's start it. We'll not waste any of time and let's start and let's have a look on the data breakdown that how many topics this advanced course is going to have. We will have the data breakdown first, and along with that we will have the key elements for a trading chart, perfect breakdown and retest, DT and DB. I will tell you what is DT and DB. Actually it is double tops and double bottom continuations. Then we have LH and HL continuations, deep pullbacks, 3 touch reversals, consolidation continuations. Then on the 9 point, as you can see, we have 2 key levels. Then again, how important are the lower highs and higher lows rules. Then again, double bottom and double tops failures along with the continuations. Then range bound sell and buys, 4 trend patterns, pause and go entries, wick rejection entries, volume candle entries, breakout and break back in entries, being aggressive trader in a chart, of course. 3-step trend, range bound trading, volume candles, lock wick fake outs, risk to reward. Of course, we will teach you in that the complete logic of how much risk to reward you should use and how much risk you should take on your portfolio size. Then there are trailing stops, cutting your risk, stacking positions, best time to trade, and of course, last but not the least, choosing the best pair to trade on. So let's get started. Let's start with our first topic, which is the key element.